Hey guys, this is Seth from the Cyphus channel. So today, of course, we have the first time we're doing a mammal, piece of the Cenozoic. We're gonna check this box. It's our very first. Oh wow, okay. There you go. Beast of the Cenozoic is really nice box. Nice packaging. It has an extra head over there. We have the SMILODON populator. It's like a rare one here. I'm planning to complete all the saber-tooth tigers actually. There's the black SMILODON, and also there's gonna be like a, what was that called? Cyberzoic SMILODON. So here it goes. It has the species stats right there. And also we got a collectible card inside, and with a special surprise at the end, guys. I'm gonna show you guys some special surprise once we're done opening this goodie. So let's check it out. Let's unbox it. I think we should open it up here. We have the 1/18 scale. So let's unbox it. Whoop. Okay. Oh wow. My very first SMILODON. So excited. Look at that. So cool. It has an extra hair on the back for, you can change it over there. Then some extra claws. Wish it was retractable, huh? But no, it's not. But okay. We got the kids in the background. Oh no! Spilled it. Okay, spilled most of them. Here's the extra hair in the back. Alright, so here's our SMILODON populator. Nice articulation right there. So I think we should change this to make him look a little bigger. Let's put the hairy... Yeah, that looks better. Look at that. Let's see, the mouth opens up. Whoa. That looks sick. Where's the extra head? Look at that, a wider mouth. And more ferocious look. You can see the eyes, they're totally different. Oh. The tongue as well, totally different. This is a really cool piece though. It's kind of weird, there's like a gap right here when you try to make it wider. It's kind of throwing me off. Or it looks like the back like that. The body can move as well, the middle part. Whoops, a little sturdy there. Nice piece. Okay, so I don't see the point of ripping off the feet or paws on this thing. Paws. Let's see, what would that look like anyway? So it looks like the claws over here are not retracted, but these ones are here retracted. So let's just leave it that way. Yeah, I think I'll just leave it that way. But anyways, I have a surprise actually to show to you guys. Let's check it out. Let's put this aside for now. Because I can't help myself when I saw this at Target. It looks so sick. The Masters of the Universe Battle Cat. It's huge. It's gigantic, guys. So I said I'm gonna custom this, make it to a SMILODON, a big SMILODON. Let's see, how do we look at that, how big that is. Whoop, there you go. So I'm gonna unbox this and turn into a SMILODON. I'm gonna custom it. Okay. Got some time for He-Man, Masters of the Universe. So let's check it out. I'm gonna unbox it. Alright, I'm gonna compare this to the SMILODON populator. I'm sure it's gonna dwarf it. I actually don't know how to open it. Let's try and find a good way to open it. Okay, trying to get it out. It's not that easy. Okay, I think it's coming out. Oh. Okay, I get it out of the box. It's gorgeous. It's like $43. I mean, it's worth the price. It was. Look at the size of this thing. It's huge. This is pretty. It's gonna be a cool hybrid here if I make one, huh? Let's take it out the packaging. Wow. Okay, I think I got it out. Oh yes. Let's take off this battle. It's armor. Let's take this out. Look at that. Look how this is like a Hammond collection battle cat here. It's huge. This is nice. Whoa, it's a marble eye. Look at that. Oh wow, it actually retracts. See? So I'm gonna switch that off. I'm gonna take it off and change it to a saber tiger tusk. So let's take off the armor. How do you take it off? Oh wow. It's actually belted there, huh? Okay, I don't need this. Look at the size of this thing. It's huge. The green cat is so big. Look at that. I love it. Compared to our SMILODON. What the? Wow. It has black claws, but however the box actually has white claws or beige the claws, but this one is black. The figure has black. So yeah. I just wish the ears wasn't like this though. I didn't like how the ears. So I'm gonna make it turn this into a hybrid. I'll probably get one more of the battle cat. Turn it into a hybrid. This is a big cat. I love it. Oh. Look at. So yeah, there you have it. Whoops. Also, I want to say, what? I also want to say that I have found this Mutodon earlier, Jurassic World Dominion. And also I found a Dunkleisteus, super cool. And another Dunkleisteus, so for repaint. So. And we have the Dromaeosaurus. I saw the Euxysaurus as well. Where is that? Oh, this one right here. I totally ignored it because I already have 3 of these. It's actually just a. It's actually the same as the Rebirth. So there you go. And guess what? I found another Torvosaurus for repaint. So sweet. Alright guys. So next video, I don't know. Just comment which one you want me to review. Alright guys. Do you want the Dunkleisteus, the Dromaeosaurus, or the Mutodon? We'll see. I was also hunting on the Tylosaurus, the Walmart exclusive, but I couldn't find it. Okay, so there you go for our SMILODON populator video today. I'm gonna try to get the black one and the Cenozoic SMILODON, and I'm gonna compare to this green battle cat. So yeah, by the end of this year, I'm gonna turn this into a hybrid. Alright guys. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And I want to say thank you for your non-stop support. You guys have a good one now. And take good care. Or maybe we should pop out the head. Let's try the other head. Whoa. Oh gosh, I don't want to damage it. I don't know. I can't. Oh wait. My goodness. I don't want to rip it off. I feel like I'm gonna break it. Alright guys, thank you. Hope you enjoyed this video. Take good care. Have a good one. Fare thee well.